You smell funny, Pat.
It's concerning how fast my dog inhales salami. Watch this.
Is that a chicken? Hey, bro, you gotta sit in the back. You gotta sit in the back, bro. Big bro already in the front.
Yo, who the fuck is...
It's vegan because it's strawberry milk and not like cow milk. You know what I mean?
Strawberries come from cows. They aren't vegan.
So you then show what you drive.
Bofos, I'm tipping.
My brother's going into the army, so I decided to start preparing him.
Wake up, Private! Get your ass out of bed!
I didn't think it would happen to me.
Look at these damn hard-working crackers.
Reverse slavery.
This is what Martin Luther King wanted. This is okay.
Hi, welcome to McDonald's. How may I help you?
You want to hear a joke real quick before I order?
No, baby, I'm kind of busy right now.
Yo, Brady, why are you crying?
Bro, are you good?
My grandma died last night.
Oh, man.
Miss Jennifer said hips and lips.
Shut up, bitch!
You're coming home with me.
But Daddy, I love him!
A symbol.
Nigga, the cops outside. Lock up the house.
Holy fucking shit!
Vengeance!
Excuse me, sir. Can we talk to you for a second? Don't talk into this mic and win $10.
Yeah, big, hey, barely get out. I'll sing you a song, I'm Banana Man.
No. That wasn't funny.
What's up?
You could have scared me.